Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a very nice 2008 last production year for the B7800. These are a good solid tractor. 4-cylinder, V1505, 30 horse motors in these. This has a BH75 subframe mount backhoe. I do have a 3-point hitch kit here for it. Tractor has 472 hours. Over on the fender there's a ding, but it is a good running mechanical tractor. The backhoe set out and it is faded a little bit more than what the tractor is. There's a hair bit of paint fade to the tractor, but it is a very good running mechanical tractor. This is a better tractor you'll go buy in a new, like a 2650 today. They're a 3-cylinder and they're underpowered as far as I'm concerned. These are a 4-cylinder tractor. Very good running working tractor. It is ready to go to work. If you have any questions on it, we'll gladly answer anything you want to know. We're going to start you here right under the hood. Tractor is going to be powered by a Kubota B7800 4-cylinder diesel engine. Starts, runs, and works without any issues whatsoever. It is serviced and ready to go. We've just done all filters and oils with it with OEM Kubota filters. Excuse me. Again, the V1505 is a 4-cylinder, 30 horsepower motor, and again, starts, runs, and works excellent. No normal smoke noise or blow by. Swallowed plug. There are a couple scuffs on the hood. You can see right here a couple scuffs on the hood. Again, LA 402, quick attach front motor. The bucket, we did paint the bucket, and I'm going to be very honest with everybody. The bucket floor had a crack here in it. Very typical. I've seen that a million times. We did send it over to the local welding shop, and we did have that floor completely fixed, and we had the wear bars put in the bottom of the bucket. Just being honest with everybody. R4 tires, front tires are going to be about 50 to 60%. Both are matched. Rears, also R4s, they're going to be about 75% both matched. Here's what I was talking about on this fender. There is a dent right here in this fender. BH75 Backhoe, 16-inch bucket. No oil leaks on any of the cylinders. It is standard John Deere control setup configuration. No welds, brakes, anything like that on the backhoe. Again, it does have a full set of 3-point hitch arms up there, which we'll show you. I did purchase, the backhoe seat was cracked. I purchased a brand new, right there, Kubota seat, $175 from Kubota. Factory Kubota seat is what is to be on there. Folding roll bar. Has a nice Kubota seat here, suspension on it. 4-wheel drive in and out, up and down for 3-point. You're going to have your low, medium, and high range transmission. 540 PTO or 2500 mid PTO. All the lights in the dash stuff work. Matt, did you keep my key? Temp, fuel, hours 472. Very, very simple tractor as far as your shuttle here, forward and reverse on your hydrostatic pedal, brakes. One nice thing on these, you do have a clutch pedal. You can depress that clutch pedal for in the winter time for starting a lot easier. Up front, you do have all your 3-point stuff, including the factory top link is there. I'm going to go ahead and fire this tractor up. We're going to run around and show you that everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. have it. That is a very good running, working tractor. Very smooth. That was the big thing with these B7800s. I always say your B2710, 2910, 7800, B3000, 3200, the B3030. As far as I'm concerned, they were legendary tractors. 4-cylinder motors. They had balls of power, but they were smooth. And, you know, the 2650 is not a bad tractor, but they don't have the power that these do. They really don't. And just the way that tractor handles and the way it's set up, they were just a really smooth tractor, and they hold their value. This tractor has a couple of paint loss areas like there on the backhoe, here at the tower. It is chipped, but it is a very good running, working, very responsive tractor. 472 hours. Stuff like this is hard to find. You're at you're like at $34,000 to put something in its place today. I mean, I think it's a very affordable tractor, but yet it'll go out and do a lot of work. And subframe mount, 3 points there. It's ready to rock and roll. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.